Hi and welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttables YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute since I've been up here. I've been sick and Christmas and designing and all sorts of stuff going on. So today, this is kind of a different video. All I did was I went on a tour of my house, my Christmas decorations, because I kind of go overboard. You guys know, Ginger, hey, down. You guys know that I love Christmas. I was saying that I do all designing Christmas stuff, or I only design Christmas stuff during December because it gives me an excuse because I want to do it all year long, but I can't. So I go a little bit overboard with my decorations for Christmas. So I thought it would be fun to take you around my house and show you all the different Christmas decorations that are up. It's just like the basic main level of my house. It's just, I have a two-story house and I didn't go upstairs. It was just around. We have like a circle that goes around our downstairs. So, and this is my Christmas backdrop. If you guys have watched any of Jeff's videos lately, he designed his own Christmas backdrop and I sat down and I was like, I am not doing this. This is me. I changed all this stuff around, so I hope it looks better because he just kind of, I mean, bless his heart, he just does not know what he's doing half the time. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Comment down below if you like stuff like this. I mean, it's not have anything to do with my business or designing or anything. It's just kind of a get to know you better video. So let me know what you guys think about that. Hit the like button if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Here is the tour. So this is the entryway. Our front door is right behind me. So this is the front door. So when you come in, you can see this is the entryway. This goes upstairs. I'm not going to film up there because I don't decorate all the way up there. It's just these few main rooms on the bottom. So this is our living room and our tree number 1. The dog bed. So this one is for this tree is mostly just to, you know, put in front of the windows to see so the neighbors can see. But yes, I'm weird. I have to have 2 trees. So, okay, so if we come in this way, the living room that we rarely use, but here it is. We have the nativity. Put some Christmas stuff on the wall. So if we were to come around, this is this is my office door. It's a mess. We're not going in there. So this is, I was going to show you guys the printables that you can get online. You can get the printed versions on Amazon or the downloadable versions on Miss Kate. So some of these were freebies a while ago. So these are around. I'm going to show them, point them out as we go along. So this is our game table where we play our Christmas games and eat our yummy treats. This is tree number 2. So this is more of like our family tree because this is where we hang out. So plus I wanted to see a tree from the kitchen because we have a closed off kitchen. So this is where we keep our blankets so we can snuggle while we're watching movies. And some of my snow globes. You guys know that I love snow globes. Not all of them are here, but some of them. This is another printable. I have these all over. I think it's like a modern take on Christmas decorations. So this is our mantle, our fireplace. So you can see that our stockings are from Pottery Barn. You guys probably recognize these. They did these ones a few years ago, so they don't make these exact ones anymore, but we all have our names on there. This is, our fireplace is different. It has like an inverted like place where you can put stuff in, so Let's see if you can get up there. I just put some greenery and some snow to make it look festive. Okay, so if I were to back up, you can see it from this view. So the lighting's not perfect, but you can get the idea. So this is where we cuddle up and watch all of our Christmas movies together. This is like our main family room. A lot of people these days have the big open family room with the high ceilings, but ours is a little cozy. So there's just enough room for all 6 of us. The TV is inside of there. And then this window seat, my dad and Jeff made for me just right after we moved in. So you can lift that up and there's storage in there, and I change out the pillows throughout the year. I've got my Winter Wonderland sign up there. And then come around this way. There is my vacuum that I can't live without. So here is our more snow globes, advent calendar, some candles. So this is kind of just our main area where we hang out. Okay, so as we are leaving the family room going into the kitchen, here's our dining room. We have this huge table that will fit 8 people, so we have 2 extra seats if anybody wants to come join us. Have some ornaments hanging from there. I made this with my kids. It's just I put ornaments and pine cones in there at our old house about 7 years ago, and I have never opened it. I just wrap it up and put it away, and then I get it back out. So it's kind of dusty but on the inside, but that's okay. So this is our going out to our backyard. So this is our kitchen. It's very white, I know. And people think I like overdo the decorations. I know I do, but I mean, I can't help it. It's like my favorite time of year. I've told you guys this before. So we have dishes in the sink. So I put little wreaths on all of the cabinet doors and a big one above the hood. I have a ton of cookie jars. Here's one right here. There's another one. Here's another printable. Here's another cookie jar. And then I just have some like spots. It's lighted so you can't see it very well, but here's another printable. And another cookie jar. And then there's some more cabinet space. I wish I could like do some more right here, but I just don't have enough stuff right now. So that's just boring. But this is the view you see when I'm making cookies. We have music going. It's usually really loud in here. Of course you heard the dogs. So this goes into our mudroom, which is where the dogs hang out, so it's kind of messy, but that's basically as far as my Christmas decorations go. Maisie, why are you in the kennel? You don't have to go in there. That's where they sleep, and so she wants to hang out in there all the time. There's another printable. This is our ice maker. Oh my gosh, I have to show you guys this. I'm obsessed. Pebble ice. Can you even? I cannot live without my pebble ice. Anyway, we put that in after we bought the house. We basically redid this entire house from top to bottom. Actually, some of it's not done upstairs. My master bathroom is still really bad, but we have a pantry in here that's really gross, but I'll show you that you can just open that up. It's a big, huge pantry. I'm not going to go in there, but anyway, so where all of our hot chocolate stuff resides. So I keep these out so the kids can come just get a cup of a Christmas cup and just make hot cocoa whenever they want. I usually have candies or like candy canes in these, but I haven't filled it yet, so this is basically where they can just come get a treat and some hot chocolate. I need to fill it up still. So that is just our little hot chocolate bar. Then we have our little just bench. So our house kind of goes around in a circle. So when you come in, this is the entryway again. So there's the ugly bathroom. Anyway, so this is the kitchen from when you're walking in the house. All of my Christmas decorations, they're everywhere. And then my office sits in there is a mess, so we're not gonna go in there, but here is another printable. They're so cute. I think that they're so fun. Anyway, so we just did a full circle. Even my bathroom, look, even my bathroom has Christmas stuff in it. Christmas towels, flowers, winter. So, and then, funny story, our house has an elevator just because the people that built the house needed one for one of their kids. And then when we bought the house, it just came with an elevator, and so we have an elevator. It's not, I guess I can open it. It's full of storage stuff, but here we go. We'll push the call button. It's already downstairs. We only have one level, so all it does is go upstairs. See, look, storage. I have some Christmas lights still in here, and it's wallpapered, and it's funny. I mean, everyone's always like, why do you have an elevator? And I usually just use it to take my vacuum up and down the stairs and store stuff. So anyway, there's that. And then here is our entryway again. So this is the front door. This is what you see from this angle, and then see it goes around all over again. So our upstairs is not decorated, so I'm not going up there, but anyway, so people always ask me about, because all my neighbors come over and want to know, they all want to come see my Christmas. I don't know why, but maybe it's because I overdo it, but everyone always wants me to film my Christmas house tour, so I thought that you guys would like to see it too and see some of the stuff you can do with some Miss Kate on Amazon or on Miss Kate Cuttables. There I am. Hi. I know, I have mirrors all over. One of my kids counted the mirrors in the house, and I can't even remember, but it was a crazy amount of mirrors. They're all over the place. I know, I'm weird. So here we go. Maybe I'll just do like a fast walkthrough. Here's the front door again. There's where the elevator comes out of, right there. I have some pine cones up there, and that's it. Anyway, so this is the living room, fast walk through. Our family room with our fireplace. And then into our kitchen area. This is, of course, where we spend most of our time. The mudroom. The dogs are in here. My mudroom's a mess, but I guess I can poke in here. There's another set of stairs that go up this back way. And that's where I can hear Oliver watching YouTube. Yep, there he is. Say hi, teddy bear. Say hi. Hi, teddy bear. Oh, you say his name and he just rolls over because he's like scared of everything. Teddy, can you squat? Can you squat, Teddy? Teddy, come here, squat. Squat, Teddy. Yes, you can do it. Come on. Squat, Teddy, squat. I want to do it. He's like embarrassed. Maisie. This is my dog, Pooh Bear, huh? Hi, Pooh Bear. Say hi. This is my puppy that I got from when she was little, and she lays on the bed with me, and she's mine. She follows me wherever I go. And this is our, come here, teddy bear, come here. Say hi. Oh, can you squat? Can you squat? Come on, squat. Oh my gosh, why are you so embarrassed? Squat, teddy my gosh, you're a stinker. If I didn't have a camera on you, you'd do it like a million times a day. Squat, come on, squat. Daddy, squat. The only trick he knows. Oh, no, that's not good. Okay. Here, Maisie, high five. High five. Oh, good, Pooh Bear. Yes. Okay, so anyway, here we are. This is the end of the tour. We'll go back to the front where we started from. So here we are. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope that this wasn't too boring, but it's my favorite time, so I thought I would show you guys all of my fun stuff. Anyway, we'll see you later.